Hey creators and innovators, welcome back to Cordless Craft, your daily dose of AI and tech mastery. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful skills of 2025, prompt engineering. If you've been using AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini or Claude and just typing random questions, you're missing out on 90% of their potential. In the next 20 minutes, I'll break down exactly how to craft prompts that deliver expert level results, save you hours of work and even make you money. So grab your coffee and let's level up. Prompt engineering is not just talking to AI, it's the art and science of communicating with AI in a way that gets you the most accurate, relevant, and creative answers. Think of it like giving directions to a chef. If you just say, make me food, you'll get anything. But if you say, make me spicy Italian pasta with creamy sauce, cooked al dente, and plate it like a Michelin star dish, you'll get exactly what you want. Same with AI. Now, in 2025, the big three AI models are ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Anthropic Claude. Each has its strengths. ChatGPT, best for detailed explanations, creative writing, and flexible conversation. Gemini, super fast with deep integration into Google tools like Docs, Sheets, and Search. Claude, excellent for safe, structured, and long-form reasoning. Knowing which AI to use for which task is half the battle. Example, I use Gemini for research-heavy work, ChatGPT for idea generation, and Claude for complex report writing. Here's my secret. The 4-step prompt formula. Role, tell the AI who it should be. You are a senior game developer with 10 years of experience. Task, clearly state what you want. Create a beginner-friendly game development roadmap. Constraints, add limits or rules. Keep it under 500 words. Focus on unity. Avoid jargon. Format words focus on unity. Avoid jargon. Format tell it how to deliver the answer. Use bullet points. Include a table and end with action steps. Example prompt. You are a social media strategist. Create a 30-day content plan for Instagram targeting tech enthusiasts. Include captions, hashtags, and suggested posting times in a table. Boom, you'll get a ready-to-use strategy in seconds. Once you master the basics, level up with these tricks. Once few short examples, give the AI examples before asking it to create something. Chain of thought, ask it to think step by step before giving the answer. Self-refinement, tell AI to critique and improve its own answer. Persona switching, ask it to answer as if it's a marketer, then as a developer, then combine both. This skill is so valuable that companies now hire AI prompt engineers for salaries above 100K, but you don't need a job to make money with it. Use it for freelance content creation, marketing campaigns, ebook writing, or even building your own AI-powered tools. Remember, the better your prompts, the better your output, the faster you deliver. All right, that's your crash course on mastering prompt engineering in 2025. Tomorrow, we're moving to skill 2, AI video creation using tools like VO3, RunwayML, Pika, and Sora. If you found this valuable, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your fellow creators. And remember, it's not the AI that's smart, it's the person who knows how to talk to it. See you tomorrow.